Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the tracker now. Open the Valorant tracker and grant microphone and file permissions so input is captured. Next, set resolution and frame rate to 1920x 1080 at 60 FPS for smooth, clear footage, and choose your audio device so voice is recorded. Once done, close competing recording apps and put Valorant in exclusive full screen to prevent dropped frames. Make sure overlays are enabled only in the tracker app. This reduces conflicts and ensures the tracker can You now configure the detailed recording settings to capture meaningful rounds. First, pick an encoder. Use NVENC or AMD hardware to keep CPU free while gaming, or X264 if you prioritize compression quality. Then set bitrate between 12, 000 and 20, 000 kbps for 1080p 60. Pick CBR if you will stream. Once that is set, enable HUD and map event capture inside the tracker so kills and utility usage are recorded. Finally, assign hotkeys for start. You finish by recording and exporting properly. Hit your start hotkey before a match and add markers for important rounds as you play to speed editing later. When the session ends, stop recording, then export as MP4 with H.264 and include the tracker metadata so kills and timestamps appear in editors. If exports fail or no in-game data appears, check app permissions, disable other overlays, and ensure Valorant is in exclusive full screen. These are the most common fixes when capture data is missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.